Katrina Haynes from Haynes and Associates. You're about to watch a brief snippet from one of my webinars. I'll be back when it's over to give you more information. Enjoy. And start on corporate taxation, background on corporate taxation. So the US is essentially a worldwide taxing system. And there are two different types of international tax systems. So when you look at each country, every country is either going to tax you on the worldwide basis or on the territorial basis. And the worldwide basis just says that we're going to tax all of your income. So if you have operations in the US and you have operations in China and Mexico and Singapore and so on and so forth, the worldwide tax system is going to tax all the income that you're earning in each of those jurisdictions, versus the territorial system only taxes the income that's deemed sourced within its borders. So in my previous example, if I had entities in the US and Mexico, China, Singapore, then if I was on a territorial based system, then the US would only tax what was earned or what was sourced to the US and would disregard the income outside of its borders. The US in general tends to be a worldwide tax system. When the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act was being discussed, there was some proposals that were floating around about changing the US from a worldwide system to a territorial system. The idea was introduced, but I think the US is just not in the place where they're ready to do that, just because we have a lot of international companies that are headquartered here, and you really don't want to give up that revenue if you don't have to. So the US tax system is basically a worldwide system. This is the same for corporations as well as individuals, which means that US companies are taxed on all income, regardless of where the income is earned. If it's from a company that is taxable in the US, then it's going to tax all of the income that it earns worldwide. Foreign companies are taxed on activity within the US only. So if you think about this like a US citizen or green card holder versus a foreign national, if I'm a US citizen or a green card holder, I'm subject to tax in the US on my worldwide income, even if I'm living and working outside of the US and my income is subject to tax in other places. If I'm a foreign national and I'm coming into the US, unless I meet the substantial presence test and I'm subject to tax on my worldwide income, if I come into the US as a non-resident, then I'm only taxed on my US source income. Companies are the same way. So for a US based or US headquartered company, that company is going to be taxed on its worldwide income, versus a foreign company that's not headquartered or based in the US, they would only be subject to their US income. Switzerland. Thanks for watching. For more information on this and other webinars, you can check the description box, or you can visit me on my website, www.hayneshelp.com. Thanks again for watching and for letting Haynes help you.